A University of Arizona-led research team has found bands and stripes on the brown dwarf closest to Earth, hinting at the processes churning the brown dwarf's atmosphere. Brown dwarfs are mysterious celestial objects that are not quite stars and not quite planets. They are about the size of Jupiter but typically dozens of times more massive. Still, they are less massive than the smallest stars, so their cores do not have enough pressure to fuse atoms the way stars do. They are hot when they form and gradually cool, glowing faintly and dimming slowly throughout their lives, making them hard to find. No telescope can clearly see the atmospheres of these objects. We wondered, do brown dwarfs look like Jupiter, with its regular belts and bands shaped by large, parallel, longitudinal jets, or will they be dominated by an ever-changing pattern of gigantic storms known as vortices like those found on Jupiter's poles, said UArizona researcher Daniel Apai, and as the patterns in the atmospheres reveal high-speed winds running parallel to the brown dwarf's equators. These winds are mixing the atmospheres, redistributing heat that emerges from the brown dwarf's hot interiors. Also, like Jupiter, vortices dominate the polar regions. Some atmospheric models predicted this atmospheric pattern, Apai said, including models by the late Adam Shulman, a UArizona Lunar and Planetary Laboratory professor and a leader in brown dwarf atmosphere models. The team used NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, space telescope to study the two brown dwarfs closest to Earth. At only 6.5 light-years away, the brown dwarfs are called Lumen 16A and B. While both are about the same size as Jupiter, they are both more dense and therefore contain more mass. The brown dwarfs get brighter whenever brighter atmospheric regions turn into the visible hemisphere and darker when these rotate out. As a result, brown dwarfs can serve as more massive analogues of giant planets existing outside of our solar system in future studies. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.